That smells familiar. What does that smell like? Yeah, that is a throwback. Oh wait, it was a massage bar. Wow, that smells like an expensive perfume. Wow, that is not what I expected at all. I've just seen something. So I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're diving into the Lush kitchen subscription box for May. Now, when I tell you, this is the most beautiful box I have ever seen. Look at this. I feel like, can you guys appreciate how beautiful that is? It's absolutely stunning. And this month's box is in collaboration with Bridgerton. I personally haven't actually watched Bridgerton. I know I need to watch it. I've heard so many good things about that show. However, I just feel like I'm in my Vampire Diaries era. It is my time. And also I love to rewatch shows I've already seen. Firstly, it's so comforting, but also I love to read. Let's be real. I love to read my book and have the TV on in the background, so I feel like Bridgerton is something I'm gonna have to watch and focus. Anyway, ramble over. This is the Lush Bridgerton box and I'm very excited. So if you guys don't know what the Lush kitchen subscription box is, I feel like if you watch my channel on the regular, you probably know what it is by now, but essentially it's a mystery box. You get it once a month. It's around £35 and I'm not gonna lie, there are emails to say what's going to be in the box. I avoid those like the plague because I don't like to spoil it. I love to go into these blind and I've seen no spoilers so far and I cannot wait. So without further ado, we are going to dive into the May kitchen subscription box. I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. So inside the box, as always, we have our little note cards. This one is absolutely beautiful. I love the pattern. I feel like if I was to have an ensuite bathroom where I can make it really garish, like this is something I would love as like a feature wallpaper piece. Anyway, this is what it looks like and this is what it says. Feel free to pause it and have a read. I feel like if you guys know me well enough, you'll know that me reading out loud is just never a good idea because I get so tongue-tied. So that is what that says. Feel free to have a little read. And I'm now going to just move all of the packing peanuts. I feel like every time I film these videos, I always forget a bin bag. And yet again, we are doing the same. I'm going to put them in the sink though, don't worry. I've just seen something. I'm screaming. The packaging. I don't even know what it is. I've seen like a smidgen of it. The packaging is beautiful. We're going to have to dive with that one first, aren't we? So I'm just going to pull it out. So the first item we have in the box is the Keep It Fluffy shower gel. And this one says, draw the shower curtain and disappear into a sweet, sultry, ylang ylang jasmine and vanilla haze. The packaging on this, are you joking? How beautiful is that? I absolutely love it when they put a little bit more effort into the labels. I find it so special. I just absolutely love this one. In terms of ingredients, we have got lemongrass, jasmine, sea salt, rose, jasmine absolute, lemongrass oil, ylang ylang, vanilla. Did I say ylang ylang already? I don't even know. Loads of beautiful ingredients. I am so excited to smell this one. Okay, let's just dive in. I can't wait a second longer. Let's give it a try. It's like screaming the comforter at me, but okay. Wow, that is not what I expected at all. This smells, to put it bluntly, it smells like a really nice shower gel. Like it smells like a shower gel that you would get at a hotel, but like a posh hotel. Like it smells really comforting, floral, gentle. It's just very, very nice. It's not overly sweet. I wouldn't necessarily point this and say this is sweet. It's definitely more on the kind of creamy floral smell. That is how I would describe it, like a rose dipped in yogurt. But it doesn't smell like rose jam. It is like completely different. It is so nice. Wow. I'm really pleased. I love that. Next up in the box we have, okay, I'm going to go with this because this is a potted item. Again, the label, adorable. Oh, okay, this is the Tender is the Night body lotion. So Tender is the Night, I think, used to be a massage bar back when I worked there, which is quite fun. This one says, creamy ylang ylang and sweet vanilla will make you swoon, whilst organic cocoa butter leaves skin soft and tempting to touch. And ingredients-wise, this one has got ylang ylang flower infusion, almond oil. It also has jojoba oil, lippy butter, vanilla absolute, ylang ylang oil. Let's just give it a smell. I can't wait any longer. I feel like the smell is going to be a real big throwback to when I worked there. I'm so excited. Oh, it's lovely. Look, it's like slightly pink. Can you guys see that? Does it look white on camera? Probably. Yeah. That is a throwback. Oh wait, it was a massage bar, and I think, if I am correct, it was white and it had like a pink flower on it. I think that's what it looked like. Anyway, it's bringing back memories. Wow, let's give it a little try and see. Wow, okay, this is nice. It's not overly heavy, like it's more of a milky consistency. I'll show you guys up close so you can see. It's definitely more of like a milky consistency, so it's not super greasy, which is nice. Wow, that smells lovely. It smells just very like mature and like expensive, or is a little bit greasy. I lied to you, it has got a bit of a greasy texture, but nothing a bit of dusting powder won't fix. Yum, absolutely delish. I don't think I even showed you guys the packaging up close, so let me show you guys what it looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. I just love the attention to detail. Again, I find that when they do themed boxes like this, like the attention to detail, I just love it. Like we had the Shrek box and it was just amazing. This one, again, my arms are flailing about. I'm just so excited. Anyway, let's go on to the next item. So the next item we have in the box is a soap, and this is the Family Before All soap. I feel like if I was to watch Bridgerton, I would understand probably the names of these maybe a little bit more, but this is what the soap looks like. It seems to have some sort of family crest on the front, and ingredients wise in this one we have got things like rapeseed oil, coconut oil, lavender flower infusion, neroli oil, cornstarch, mimosa absolute, and I think that's it. That smells familiar. What does that smell like? It definitely smells familiar. It has got a really lovely lavender smell to it, but it's not like straight flower lavender. It's definitely more creamy and more subtle, which I really like. Wow, that's absolutely lovely. It almost has like a minty smell to it. Maybe I'm making that up, but that smells absolutely delish. And I just love the design of it. Can we take a moment? Absolutely amazing. So the next item in the box, I'm not gonna lie, mine has seen better days. Half of it is crumbled, but we're gonna look past it. This is a Maca bomb, which I presume is like a Macaroon bath bomb, so kind of like the bubble runes but the bath bomb version, which is very exciting. And this is what it looks like. So it says Lush on one side, it has a kind of sandwich of cocoa butter, and on the other side it did have a B, which I presume is for Bridgerton, but mine is absolutely smashed and there's bits of it in the box, but it's fine, I'll still use it, it will still work wonders. And ingredients wise in this one we've got cocoa butter, shea butter, vanilla, cocoa absolute, strawberry powder, let's just smell it. Oh, Australian sandalwood, almond oil, coconut oil. Very subtle, but it almost smells like a really like cheap sour sweet, like you know those little Love Heart sweets, kind of like that but not, but really subtle. I'll tell you what it does smell like, and this is going to sound absolutely crazy. It kind of is giving like a baby born, baby Annabelle. If you're from the UK, or if you're from, I mean, did they have baby borns and baby Annabelles in other countries? Probably, but essentially it smells like a baby doll, and it smells really good, I'm not gonna lie. Very nostalgic, very gentle. It's a shame mine's a bit broken, not gonna lie, but it's okay, we're gonna look past it. I don't mind when one comes broken every now and then. I feel like I'm quite lucky, touch wood, with my boxes, so that is absolutely fine. Let's dive on to the last item, which is the one I'm scared to touch because it's covered in glitter. I can already see it, so yay. And last but definitely not least, we have this. This is the Royalty Bath Bomb, which I'm absolutely 90% sure we have had before. I feel like this was released back when they did that massive bath bomb drop, maybe 4 or 5 years ago. I was definitely not living here, and I think I was even living with Zoe at the time. They released like 50 bath bombs or something insane, and I'm pretty sure this was one of them, so let me know down below if that is correct. But ingredients wise in this one we have got soybean flour, tangerine oil, sandalwood oil, lavender oil, rose absolute. I think that's all. Yes, that is all. Let's give it a smell. Wow, that smells like an expensive perfume. It smells like a perfume you would buy from Molton Brown. Very expensive smelling. We could almost say it smells royal, you know? It smells delish. Wow. And yeah, I absolutely love it. I will say that the only thing about this is I am getting glitter absolutely everywhere. So that is everything for this month's kitchen box. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and I would love to know down below, did you like this box? Did you get this box? What was your favorite items? I would love to know, as always. I would have to say I think my favorite is probably the shower gel. I absolutely love the color of it and the like sticker. I think it's all just perfect, and I really love that. But I do really like everything. I'm gonna have to say this box is a really good one, so let me know down below your thoughts and opinions on it, because I would would love to know. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed, please do. We are on our way to 11,000 of you, which I honestly cannot quite believe. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. And yeah, that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.